Good morning. Bill Randall for LastStandBrand.com. I'm here to share with you how to plant carrots today. The most difficult, requires the most help at germination of any vegetable there is. You see behind me is some tilled ground. The seeds for carrots are very tiny, so hard to apply, easy to overseed or underseed. It takes 2 weeks for the seeds to germinate. It takes about 8 days for the weeds to germinate and completely cover the seedlings for your carrots. For that reason, we're going to put in 3 very thick rows, cover them with this ground cover, and pin it down for 2 weeks. That will keep the weeds from germinating, and it'll get us to the proper date in 2 weeks when we can pull it off and watch the carrots come up. If we don't do this, the weeds will overwhelm the carrot seedlings, and we won't be able to weed them properly. So, more later.